If we draw a recursion tree for this solution, we find there are overlapping subproblems which we are computing again and again. When problem has optimal substructure and overlapping subproblems, then we know we can solve them with dynamic programming. So let's see the first approach to solve this. Instead of computing the subproblems again and again, what we do, we can store the results obtained for a particular call in a 2D array, which is of size n plus 1 by n. Because we need previous to compare with 0th element and to store result of the complete array. So what we do, we initially fill the array with -1 and store the result of every recursive call at position previous index plus 1 and current. Like recursive call for previous index 1 and current index 7, it will store the result at position 2 and 7. So in this way, for all those overlapping subproblems, we won't need to make recursive call to compute them again. As now we have all the results stored in array. So we check in each iteration. If result is already computed for that iteration, we simply return that value.